This is Opinion Radar. Today, we're diving into a tool that promises to take the guesswork out of a common DIY headache: installing cabinet hinges. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a dedicated weekend warrior, getting those hinges perfectly aligned can be frustrating and time-consuming. That's where the RUITOL Cabinet Jig comes in. Priced at just $31, it's a specialized tool designed specifically for frameless cabinets, aiming to deliver precision and consistency with minimal effort. In this review, we'll explore its real-world performance, its adjustability for different projects, and where it truly shines or when you might need to look elsewhere. If you're tired of hand measuring every single door, stick around to see if this jig is the upgrade your workshop needs. When I first unboxed the RUITOL Cabinet Jig, I was immediately impressed by the build quality. The aluminum alloy construction feels solid and substantial in your hands, not like some of the flimsy plastic jigs I've used in the past. It comes in a neat storage bag, which is a thoughtful touch that helps keep everything organized and prevents it from getting lost in a cluttered toolbox. The adjustment mechanisms are smooth and precise, allowing you to dial in the exact positioning needed for your cabinet doors. For anyone who's spent hours trying to hand measure and mark every hinge location, this tool promises to eliminate that tedious process. The fact that it's designed specifically for frameless cabinets is a key detail, and it's worth paying close attention to that up front. I've used this jig on several projects now, from a simple bathroom vanity installation to helping a friend with a full kitchen remodel. The learning curve is pleasantly short. After setting it up once for a standard 3/8-inch overlay, I could reliably reproduce the same position on every subsequent door. This consistency is what makes it so valuable for a larger job. I found it particularly useful for complex installations where multiple doors needed to align perfectly with each other and with adjacent drawers. The jig helps ensure that your hinges are mounted at the exact same distance from the edge of the door every single time, which is the secret to that professional, uniform look. It turned what is often the most frustrating part of cabinet installation into a straightforward, almost foolproof task. One of the standout features for me is its adjustability. Unlike some jigs that only work for one specific door size, this one can be fine-tuned for different overlay styles and cabinet dimensions. You can set it to work with standard 3/8-inch or 1/2-inch overlays, and the adjustment range gives you flexibility for custom projects. I also appreciated the clear markings, though I did notice they're primarily in metric system. As someone who works mostly in imperial measurements, I had to do a quick mental conversion at first, but once I had my reference point set, it wasn't a significant hurdle. This minor quirk is a reminder that it's an important tool, but it doesn't detract from its core functionality. The storage bag is excellent for keeping the small components together. However, it's crucial to understand this tool's limitations, as it's specifically designed for frameless European-style cabinets. If you have traditional face frame cabinets, this jig simply won't work for you, as it positions hinges based on the cabinet box itself. I've seen other reviews and forum posts where folks were frustrated because they didn't realize this key distinction. For frameless cabinets, where the door mounts directly to the cabinet box sides, it's perfect, but if your project involves face frame cabinets, you'll need a different tool altogether. This isn't a flaw in the product, but it's an essential piece of information that could save you a lot of disappointment and a wasted trip to the hardware store. From a practical standpoint, the jig did have one limitation for my specific workflow. The standard setting positions the door at 1 3/4 inches from a cabinet frame, which is common for many installations. However, on a few of my doors, I needed to achieve a slightly different reveal. The solution was simple. I just used a spacer block as an accessory, which is a common practice for fine-tuning in cabinet work. This wasn't a deal breaker. It was more of a reminder that no single jig can cover every possible scenario. For the vast majority of standard frameless cabinet jobs, it should work right out of the box. This is a tool that gets you 95% of the way there with incredible speed and accuracy, and that final 5% can be adjusted with minimal extra effort. Considering its price point of around $31, I find the RUITOL Cabinet Jig to be a very reasonable investment for anyone frequently installing cabinet doors. It saves countless hours and eliminates the stress of making a costly error. The aluminum build suggests it will last through many projects, making the cost per use quite low. While it's not a magic wand that works for every single cabinet type for frameless applications, it's a brilliant and efficient tool. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking to streamline your installation process, I'd recommend it. Just be sure your cabinets are frameless, and you'll likely find yourself wondering how you ever managed without it. It's a solid, well-made jig that delivers on its core promise. So, that's my take on the RUITOL Cabinet Jig. If this review helped you build a better blueprint for your projects, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tool deep dives. Until next time, keep your projects on the straight and narrow.